Hello everyone, welcome to Miami Beach Iyengar Yoga Center online classes on Zoom. The first device I use is the desktop so that I'm able to see as a host, and the second one is telephone as the view to able to see from the angle of the camera. And when I turn on the telephone, I have to make sure I mute the sound, turn off of the sound and the microphone from the telephone. And the third device is the laptop, which is these three devices have a purpose. The first one is desktop, so I'm able to see everyone, so I can adjust. I see all the students, and our classes is able to observe student, make sure the placement of the asana or the placement of the props is properly. The second one is the desktop, so I'm able to see the view angle of myself, what you see me. So if anything that blocks, so I can remove them. And the last one is the telephone, so you able to see that camera, because the telephone sometimes is much more clear in the view, so that's why I decide to choose. It might be a little bit smaller screen, but at least the sharpness of the telephone of the camera can be much more quality. So all these three devices, I turn off the microphone except the desktop because I'm connecting with the external microphone, which is I choose is called Rode. It's very clear microphone online, and all these two devices from desktop and laptop, I turn off the camera so that I'm not confused which one that I use. And also you can see this telephone, we use a lot of battery, so I put the battery on. Rode, so I bought them, and it's really worth it. So if who those like teaching classes and want to find that in the clear sound, but if you use MacBook or Apple device, so you need to buy like $3 wire to have a connection. It's a very simple connection to able to hook it for the microphone, and then I hook it with my shirt in there. Then when I see myself from the screen, the position, all the position that you do so that you're able to adjust. And our online classes, you can look in our website for the schedule, mbiyengar.com, and you can email me, and the payment is with the online classes that you can do Venmo, Zelle, or the PayPal on the website. So you see the different angle, and I can adjust, I can move the camera because it's on the connection with the telephone. Thank you for watching. So you can check our website for the schedule, online, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Hope to see you soon.